Sometimes I wake up with the sadness, other days it feels like madness. So what would I do without you? When colors turn to shades of gray, with the weight of the world at the end of the day, what would I do without you? A decade goes by without a warning, and there's still a kindness in your eye. Amidst the questions and the worry, a peace of mind always takes me by surprise.
Una mañana muy linda, está medio fresquito y ahora nos vamos en bici para trabajar en la granja. Va a ser un día largo hoy, así que esperemos que no llueva mucho. Hay que fertilizar los campos, así que esperemos que esté lindo el día.
What would I do without you? The difference between what I've said and done, and you're still standing by my side. A guilty soul and a worried mind. I will never make it if I'm on my own. You got the morning, I got midnight. You are patient, I'm always on time. Oh, what would I do without you? You got your sunshine, I got rain clouds. You got hope, I got my doubts. So what would I do without you? Oh, what would I do without you? Oh, what would I do without you?
Freedom. Mañana un nuevo día. Chao, chao.
Temprano en la mañana.
Oh man, that's the worst face I ever seen.
Yeah, can I try some? So what? Matty.
Mate, yes. Yeah.
Oh, that is not pleasant.
It reminds me of something I can't think what.
Okay.
Is it hot?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, it's a funny. Oh, it's like a strawy, spoony thing.
It's quite sweet, isn't it?
Yeah, he's put a lot of sugar in it.
Toes from my missteps and towards your souls. I learned my way, breaking every bone. Now I see all these aches and make you grow. And every fall has a rise, every burn has a flame. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. Now I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows, I'm the weather vane. Now I'm made with what remains. A thick skin, knowing it's just growing pain. I cut my teeth till I taste the way. My
ordeñar las vacas para sacar la leche que tomamos todos los días del café y bueno, para venderla por supuesto. Así que en un ratito le voy a mostrar cómo es.
My empty mouth finds the words to say.
Primero le pusimos yodo en las ubres para limpiarle, sacarle las bacterias. Así que ahora la vamos a limpiar bien y testearle que saque bien la leche. En todas las ubres para después and that's it.
Things I found being chipped away, and all the ways I built from how I prayed. And every laugh has a cry, every loss has a gain. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. Now I got these growing pains.